Okay, let's take a look at B and C here. I'll do it in a different color so it stands out. But anyway, in scenario B here, I want you guys to notice, first of all, that FUTA and SUTA are right out. In fact, B and C both. He's already earned way more than 7,000, so he's already paid his full FUTA and SUTA. So for B and C, there will be no FUTA, no SUTA. He's done. Anytime this number here, gross pay, is over 7,000, then you're done. Those are going to be zeros. Okay. The other ones, however, have some interesting implications. Actually, for B, his gross pay is $3,100, and so you're simply going to go $3,100 times the 6.2 for this, so 0.062. And if you do the math here, I believe you're, oops, made a mistake there. That's going to be 0.0620. Okay, watch out for your decimals. 0.06, move it twice. It was here 6.2, move it twice. 0.0620. I think I've got it right. Okay, 192.20 is what my math comes out to be. So that is my Social Security tax. Okay, Medicare, that's an easy one because there are no caps. Okay, 0.0145. Your numbers may be different here, but this one comes out to be, I believe, 44.95 if my math is correct. Okay, no caps to worry about here. The full amount is taxed, and it does say so, 1.45% of gross pay. Okay, so those two are done. That's part B, all right, using the 3,100. And again, FUTA and SUTA are zero, so 0, 0, there's your four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're done with part B. That was all part B up there. Okay, skipping up to part C. Let's make it fancy. Let's get to a different color pink. We'll do this one in red. Okay, so for part C then, notice here, deliberately they've chosen a number that is close to this cap here. Here's how I think it's easiest to figure those out. I would simply go 1068 is my number minus 101,000. So I'm going to go 1068. That's the cap. That is the last dollar this person has to pay for the Social Security tax. Minus 101,000 is what he's earned up until this pay period. Okay, and so I do the subtraction there, and I'm going to get 5,800. What this means is, although the person made, I believe it was 11,000 something, 11,200, only the first 5,800 is subject to the Social Security tax. Okay, so this is what we call taxable. Okay, so there we go. That's the taxable for Social Security. I multiply it by my good old familiar ratio, 0.062, 6.2% expressed as a decimal. And there we go. I do this times this, and I believe it's going to be 359.60 is what my calculator shows. Okay, that is his Social Security tax for this period. Right, that's the hardest one in that problem right there. Okay, and you can see from this problem they deliberately chose that to make you calculate this. This was close to that number, but if that number was 1068, you'd have nothing. Okay, so you have to split this income into a taxable portion and a non-taxable portion. The non-taxable portion would be every dollar above 106,800. Okay, so I hope that makes sense how we did that. Of course, Medicare, 1.45% of all gross pay, so there's no calculation there other than the full amount, which was 11,200. That's his gross pay for this period. Okay, times 0.0145, that's my Medicare tax, 1.45%, expressed as a decimal. I believe I get 162.40. Okay, and there's my Medicare tax. SUTA and FUTA, let's not forget, do think about these things, okay? These are 0.8% and 2.9% on the first 7,000. He's way over 7,000, so it doesn't matter, okay? FUTA and SUTA are zero in both part B and in part C. He's way over it. Okay, so SUTA 0, FUTA 0. There's your four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope that helps. And this problem did show up on the homework, and some people had questions about it, so I hope this solution helps you. Okay, thank you so much.